So, folks, if there's something to smile about this morning, we'll be taking on the Floppy Socks Challenge, it's called, to make the challenge more difficult. We've, well, this is your custom if I say it. So we have Ariana and Chris.
Not so great and great.
Thank you. So let's see the video and we will know what to do. Vámonos. Waiting on the video.
It's coming.
Patience is a virtue, she will tell me.
Too much of it will hurt you. Clive.
So you're trying to take off the other person's sock, but yours can't come off. Well, me have on shoes, you know, so hold on, you know. Never go down there, so. That means the socks mustn't, it fit out a road. The socks fit out a road.
I promise you, I cannot. I want to find these things. You know, so anytime Chris come on the set is a very bad sign, you know. Somebody always drop and spray in some giznet part of them body.
Giznet? Which part of your body is a
I don't
giznet?
find it yet, but when I find it, I will tell you.
A giznet would be?
I want to stay far from you, you know. Please, I beg. So are we on teams there, produce?
Then me and you must be on the same team.
You know what the trick is? Don't make too much of your socks exposed. What is that, produce?
Them say your socks not fitted properly.
Mine's?
No.
Ari.
No, Ariana, you can't carry it all the way up. What a wicked lady.
Strategy, shall try, strategize. Shall use our brain.
She's a crook.
Teeth. Thank you. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, sir. Okay, so same as the target.
Let him take off when I buy.
Yeah, man. No,
Let him take off when I buy. Me done.
Hello, sir. Your shoes are obstructive element.
Melos, give me back my socks, please.
Nev, are you barefooted?
Yeah, because I take off mine already.
I told you should have formed another.
No, I like it still, because I come me done with the game.
All right. Chris, you need to put some more sock in your sock.
Yeah, oh. Chris is a crook
you
too, you know,
like
coffee.
What do you mean? Hello. Thank you. Let's try, Ari. Give me this. Ramp with me, door, ramp with me.
Chris, you have to do one more round. Put on back the socks. One more round.
Your toe name grip, you know. Your toe said not today, Samaroon. Thank you, Ari. Why you hold on to this? Because I can't make it take it. Come off of my sock.
One more round.
Woo! This is an exercise and so why are you? I don't understand.
Can me lose?
Nev.
Yeah.
It's rounds.
Yeah. Why are you so tired, though?
Because it's not easy.
Come again, put on back the socks.
No, sir. Okay.
I think it fit.
You duke it out over there, no, man.
I think it fit.
Trying to be, but they keep putting me up against these young people who have out a death wish.
Well, you are fit
For
enough.
the older host.
You are fit enough for me, Mama. Don't worry about it. Come again. Let's go. Some is you may carry now. Don't lose, you know.
Says the man as he sits on the ground.
Chris, look like my enjoy too much.
Why, Chris? Chris, you like my perfume or something? What is it? What is it?
Just stay behind me, Mama.
Nev, drop it. Nev, you sit on over here, you can't trip the man. You know, see the man coming over here. Chris, look. Chris, clean up. Look, Ari have a socks waiting for you. We can duke it out after. Me eat. You can't sit, that's not fair. Oh. How is that a strategy?
What's Ariana? Ariana going to end up out the road, you know.
Take her down, Chris. Take her down, Chris. Wait a while you're trying to.
No, Chris, but your socks.
All of us, Nev, it's strategy.
No, but you can't put the socks on.
Strategy.
No, it's not strategy, it's robbery.
Has to be strategy.
Crookery.
You learn who's the best, Chris.
Chris, you cannot have the socks. Only Samaroon can have our socks underneath, and nobody else can do it.
Roger.
You're tired?
This is gonna do 1 minute and 42. We just gonna run down the clock. Sir, ma'am, this is a Wendy's. Dave, are you just gonna stay there? I'm let them tackle me like this?
Leave her alone. Leave her.
Whose side are you on?
Leave her alone.
Grung. Almost. You're not helping me,
Leave her
man.
alone. Thank you. See, I get rid of one there.
Watch out. You didn't know the socks are locked. Move yourself, girl.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Finally. What, Chris, why you coming at me like I'm a football player? What it? Chris! Wanna call the police? Do you see that where to go?
So I'm working for you.
What? No, Chris did lock me. Remember the last game we played and he licked me down like a baller? Like a rugby baller?
Lick it up.
I don't like playing with Chris, you know. And time I see Chris. Nev, pop him one to your man, Nev, you know, see him? Yeah, hold him, Nev, for him. Hold him, Joe.
What's good? Yeah, but you have him socks underneath. And what's Ariana over the dust? How me get involved in this, by the way? How me have on shoes?
Yeah, Captain.
Oh, me a captain. By the way.
Chris, who's around your station now?
That is it for some people to smile about.
You don't have anything to go on? Nev, look at Chris' face. I'm getting very scared. At this point, go on in there, Harry. Go on, a brace. Take him down. You got it?
Let's use him and take it out. Chris, use him and take it out.
Oh my God.